Hi, today's video we talk about Windows 11 Copilot App, which is a centralized AI assistant that makes managing your laptop and PC, and you will quickly recognize that it looks exactly like the Bing chat we've gotten to know in the Microsoft Edge browser. So let's get started. You just need to press the Windows key plus C on your keyboard to open Windows Copilot. Now click on this three dots menu in the upper right hand side of the Copilot interface and select settings. Here you can toggle on which grant Copilot access to connect from your active Microsoft Edge app. Now there are some simple, more mundane tasks that Copilot can do which will save you time searching through your PC settings. Now go back from the settings on this surface. Firstly, we enable dark mode. Simply prompt Copilot to enable dark mode. It will start searching for the right action and then a pop-up will appear asking you to confirm the request. Click yes and your PC will be switched to dark mode. Now second thing, we make simple task it can do it to take screenshot. Simply type screenshot and then press enter on your keyboard. Now Copilot will open the Microsoft sniping tool. You will need to screenshot from your desktop. Now select the type of screenshot you want to take and then click manually. Now thirdly, turn on do not disturb if you need to focus and get some work done without any messages popping up in your face. You can prompt Copilot to turn on do not disturb and then press enter from your keyboard. This will prevent all notifications from appearing on your PC until you turn it off. Now we are in fourth number. Have Copilot open Bluetooth and devices. Under settings, you can ask Copilot to open certain system settings like Bluetooth and devices. Now Copilot open this Bluetooth and devices if you need to add or remove Bluetooth device from your PC. Now we are in number 5 feature. Copilot have summarize a text file or the info in an active Edge browser tab. You just need to open your Edge browser and then copy the link from here and then paste into your Copilot and press enter. There is a bonus. You can ask Copilot to generate an image from text. Being image creator powered by Dolly will generate an image based on your prompts. Like if I can type there create a image of tech logo and then press enter from your keyboard, Copilot will try to create that. This will take some time, so we can wait for this completion. Now you can see that there is related logos showing in Copilot. Alright, let me know down below in the comment which function you can use for here. And if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe.